Hi friends, today I'm going to do a little activity with you guys. It involves sneezing. So it's a little activity. We're going to draw the picture of, you can draw your face. So you're going to need two pieces of paper. You're going to need some kind of writing, either a pencil or a crayon or a marker. You're going to need some scissors and some glue. And you're going to need a tissue. And if you don't have tissues, you can use a little piece of toilet paper. Okay, so what we're going to do, sneezing gets germs everywhere. When you just go, ah, chew, and you don't cover it, it goes everywhere. So you want to either cough and sneeze into your elbow, you can do it into your shirt, or you can get a napkin or a tissue or a piece of toilet paper and sneeze and cough into that so we don't spread our germs. So the first thing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my first piece of paper and I'm going to draw a circle for my face. Okay, I'm going to draw a circle or maybe like an oval shape. And then I'm going to draw my body just a little bit down. Okay, so it's not perfect. Okay, so then you're going to put eyes on your person. Okay. And then you're going to make a nose because that's the most important thing. Okay. So I have my nose. All right. Then I'm going to draw my mouth kind of an open mouth. Just because I'm going to be sneezing. It's pretend sneezing. So I want to make it look like I'm sneezing. And then after that, you can make some ears. Just kind of decorate it. And I'm going to put some hair. And then I'm going to make the rest. Let's see. I'm going to make my hair. And then, so that's my person. Next, I'm going to take my hand. And I'm going to set it down on my other piece of paper. And I'm going to trace it. And if you can't do this, you can have mommies or daddies or another adult help you. Or your sister or brother. So you're just going to try and trace your hand as best as you can do it. And I'm an adult, so I have a big hand. So I have my hand. Next, I'm going to take my scissors. And remember, when you use scissors, your thumb goes in the little hole and 3 or 2 fingers in the big hole. And you cut straight across. And you don't turn your paper. You turn your paper around instead. So I'm going to cut out my hand. Okay. And I've been cutting for many years, so that's why I'm doing it kind of quickly. Okay, but you want to try your best to cut out your hand as best you can. Okay, I'm going to cut in between my fingers. Okay. Now you can decorate. I'm going to decorate mine, and then I will share it to Cecil. But just for time's sake, I'm going to use it like that. And I didn't have a tissue at the moment, but I have some toilet paper. So I'm going to take my hand. So I have my hand here. I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the hand. And then I'm going to put the toilet paper on the hand, just like this. Okay? Then I'm going to put glue a little bit over my mouth and part of my nose. And then I'm going to, well, it's kind of hard to see it. Whoops. my fun thing. But maybe if I tear up some, let's see. Okay, so let's see if this looks any better. Okay, so my hand is covering my sneeze. And I know since my hand's big, it's a little bit difficult to see my eyes, but they're still there. And then afterwards, you can decorate your hair, you can color in your eyes, you can color your hand. But it's always important when you cough or sneeze to cover your cough and sneeze. So I have my tissue and my hand, and it's helping. So I'm not spreading germs to my friends. All right, friends, I will show you my finished picture. I will post it to Seesaw, and I can't wait to see you guys'. All right, have a good day. Bye-bye.